Commander Puretide served as a commander of the Fire Caste during the Second Sphere of Expansion. A true legend among the warriors of the Tau Va, Puretide's deeds made between your records of 651 to 731.M41 have led to myriad septs, such as Elsie Air and Tashvar, being founded in his name. A brilliant tactician, capable of nullifying the joy of battle from even the orc species, his strategies relying on long-range firepower earned many victories for the Tau Empire, including battles fought within the southern borders of the world of Cronus. Opposing the Imperium during the Damocles Crusade at the front lines of the defenders of the major Tau Sept of Dalif, Puretide incurred a grievous wound. Retreating to the Mount of Kanji, Puretide retired from active duty and spent the remainder of his life as a hermit, compiling battle doctrines and philosophical teachings for future fire warriors to inherit. Championing flexible and varied methods of waging war, the Fire Caste, despite all their efforts, have failed to fully comprehend the genius of Puretide's writings, most unable to grasp more than a single aspect of his teachings. Personally tutoring many promising students, three have been lauded as his greatest scions: the lone warrior Shasso Case, Commander Shadowsun O Shasera, and Commander Farsight Shasso Viola Shova Case Montier. Approaching the embrace of death, Puretide's memories would be scanned and comprised into an engram neurochip, a facsimile of his teachings living on for future fire warriors to study.